Welcome to the channel. This is Airsoft Airsoft Andreas, and today we will be unboxing the evike's box of awesomeness. And so we're going to start off with our guesses. What do you think? What do you think it's going to be?
The one with the demo ranch.
Demo ranch gun?
Yeah. And the sniper.
My guess is it's going to be one of the snipers. So which is... It's either going to be an SR-25. Let's see, the other one's it's like an L96 type, SEMA, maybe a Crytek. So that's what I'm going with. Alright, let's get into the video. Let's get the box, okay? You get one side, I'll get this side. Plop it up right here. Oh, alright. So, we're going to use something a little special today for the tools to open this. So, you ready? Yeah. Alright, grab yours first. Show the camera. Come closer. Yep, look at that sexiness. What is it? Explain what it is.
It's the small sword of the samurai. It's called a Tano. And yep.
Very nice. And today I will be using a knight sword to open it. See how good it is at cutting. I don't think it's sharp at all. So, yeah, kind of like a medieval knights. Yeah, so let's get to it. You cut this side, and I'll cut this side, okay? All right. So we can't look in the box once we cut it. Okay? So what we gotta do is we just gotta cut it and look away. Just don't cut yourself, okay? So, cut it, kind of. Is yours cutting? Mine's cutting. Yeah. Yeah. Cut all the way yours way. Not looking. Oh, this is gonna be a little difficult. Might have to get out of the frame for that. Alright, now don't open it. The struggle. Okay, I got my side open. The handy dandy knight sword. Alright, I'm gonna put that away. Alright, so you're first up. Open the box without looking, and then show the camera what you got.
Without looking?
Without looking. Open the box, yeah. So I'm not gonna look either. Gonna be surprised as you are.
Do I just tip it over, or?
Yeah, just grab it out of there. Grab it out of there.
Well.
Alright, look at it.
Oh, yeah.
Show the camera, show the camera.
Alright.
Alright. Look at that. We like some demo. We like his stuff, and I'm sure this airsoft gun will be pretty fun too, so. Ready? You open it up since you know, put this down. Here, get in the frame. Right here. Don't be afraid of the limelight. Oh, wait.
Oh.
It's the blue one. I thought it was the demo one.
It's the blue demo.
It's the blue demo one. Hey, look at that. Ooh, that's sexy. Mag. Now show the camera right here in front of the camera. Don't point it at the camera. Oh yeah. Do like a quick reload. There you go. Bam. Alright, let me see. Ooh, look at that. That's nice. It's got ambidextrous controls. It's got a skeletonized body. You can see the inside of it. Pretty cool. Ooh, does that too. So this will be fun to run. Super lightweight too. I like it. Has a extendable stock. Yep. Who's gonna be running gunning with this? You are?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, on to the next one. You put this to the side somewhere, off camera. Already looked, so I'm just gonna open it up. Already looked. And we got two M4 evike mags, pretty good mags. They fit in almost every gun, so can't complain there. Alright, you ready? Side. Alright, you can throw that down for me, please. We got the SEMA L96. Let's see how good this is. I'm not sure. I never had a SEMA one. Had a lot of other ones. I have the SSG 96, which is pretty good. We'll open up and see what we got here. Oh, crackers. You know what to do. Bring out the katana. It's got this layer. Oh, yeah. Satisfaction. Just don't scrape the gun. Don't try this at home with a real knife. Okay, so with a real sword. Put that down. Start opening it. Open it by now. Alrighty, look at that bad boy. It's got a detachable magazine, yeah. Nice. Very good. Okay. Full action. I can work it. Not bad. What do you think? Just don't point at me. Come in frame one. Right over here. Don't be afraid of the limelight.
Dang it.
Alright. What do you say? If we get 50 likes, we'll do a review on this and all that? Gameplay?
Yeah.
Alright, so 50 likes on the video. We will do a review, and then for 100 likes, we'll do gameplay. So with all these weapons, it's going to be pretty neat. And we had a fun time opening it, and hope to get more. Anything you got to say to the people? Alright, be onward, be blessed. Have a good day. Peace.